You've just had major surgery and now you're in the hospital recuperating, and the surgeon comes to you and apologizes. Said, listen, I'm so sorry for what happened to you. This should not have happened. And you're wondering, what's this about? Well, over the next few days, what you learn is that during the course of your surgery, something happened that never should have happened. The doctor injured an area of your body that needed corrective treatment. And as a result, he had to call in a specialist to come in and fix the problem. And now, as a result of that, you are now going to need additional corrective surgery, so that while your body heals, you're now going to have to recuperate, and then months later you're going to have to come back in, have another surgery to fix and reverse the problem. So why is this significant for you? It's significant because now you're trying to think about how you're going to cope with having to deal with paying your additional medical bills, who's going to watch your kids while you're in the hospital recuperating again, not just once but twice, who's going to put food on your table while you're out of work, because certainly your job isn't going to pay you for the time that you're out of your work. So what are you going to do? Is the surgeon who now apologized to you going to pay for all those things? Is he going to pay for your bills? Is he going to help you with child care? Is he going to pay for the time that you're out of work? The answer in all likelihood is going to be absolutely not. So what do you do in that instance? Does the fact that the surgeon apologized to you, does that have any significance to you? So this policy of saying I'm sorry is designed primarily to get the patient not to bring a lawsuit against the doctor. When a doctor comes to you and apologizes for what actually occurred during the course of treatment or surgery, you have to ask yourself, why are they apologizing? Are they doing it out of the goodness of their own heart because they are a good person and they truly feel bad? Or are they doing it to try and minimize the risk that you're going to turn around and bring a lawsuit against them? That's something that you have to decide. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into some of the things that go on during the litigation process in the steps leading up to your decision about whether to proceed forward with a medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, again, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Have a wonderful day.